I have a Nintendo Switch here. I'm going to show you how to download and install like YouTube app, Hulu, and be able to watch your videos and shows and whatnot. Now take note that it doesn't require any kind of jailbreak. You can download these directly from the eShop. The thing is, with like Netflix and Amazon Prime Video, with a Nintendo Switch that's not jailbroken, you're not going to be able to watch those shows and movies from there. However, maybe in the future, we will actually be able to download the app, Netflix, as well as Amazon Prime Video. However, we still can't do it right now. Okay. Anyways, we're talking about Hulu and YouTube. And just really quickly, I'll just go ahead and go to YouTube here. You can go ahead and watch movie or videos and whatnot. Let me just give you a quick example here. Let me do a quick search here for one of my videos so I don't get a copyright strike. And I'll click on OK right there. And I'll show you one of my videos here. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm going to show you how you can set up your eye icon right there. Now you can see your left and your right. Okay, so if I tap on, so you can see we got the YouTube on there, and the same thing with Hulu here. So we are able to watch Hulu as well. Okay, so let me show you. You just need to go to the eShop here. Let me go ahead and delete YouTube, and I'll go ahead and reinstall it. Okay, so I just downloaded, or I just uninstalled or deleted YouTube. So YouTube is no longer on here. Let's go ahead and bring back YouTube. Simply just go to your eShop right here, Nintendo eShop. You can highlight it and click on the letter A, or you can just tap it. Now you have to go to the account where you have the Nintendo account like linked. Okay, for instance, if I go here, I have to link my Nintendo account. Okay, now I already did it with this one here, so let me go ahead and click on there, and now it's going to bring me directly to the Nintendo shop here. So this is basically like the App Store for Nintendo Switch. And wait for this to load here, and then you have to go ahead and put your password in. Click on OK. And then from here you can simply just go up here to search browse, and then we'll type in YouTube. Oh, here it is right here. I'll tap on that, click on search. First one, and it's free too. It says I purchased this because I mean, it was free. I downloaded it and uninstalled it. Anyway, it's free, okay, even though it says purchased here. So I'll click on that right there. And mine says re-download. Yours will just have download. Click on OK. Go ahead and let this download. Now if I just, it's still downloading. If I go back to my home button here and I go ahead, and you can see the YouTube, but there's a status bar here. So if I click on it, you can see that it's still downloading. So let me wait for this to download. Just really quickly, if it says pause here and you don't get a status bar, the reason is because you have another app or game that's open, okay? So it says paused here, so let me just close this. Now you can see that the Hulu here says playing, so let me just click on that. Oops. Let me go ahead and just highlight it right here, and then when you highlight it, you see when I highlight this one, I get this close software. Let me click on the X, let me close that. Right there, and now when I go back to the YouTube here, now it's actually downloading. All right, so that took like a minute. Looks like it's done. Let me just tap on that. Open up YouTube here, and looks like we are back in business. So pretty simple. Any questions, issues? Comment below. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.